The world's largest trucks are true marvels of engineering, designed to withstand the most extreme conditions and perform titanic tasks in the mining industry. Join us as we explore the fascinating manufacturing process of these monstrous vehicles, from their conception to their field use. It all starts with a rich history of mining. Step 1. Process initiation, design and planning. The design of a monstrous truck begins with an extensive phase of planning and development. Engineers and designers gather to create three-dimensional models and prototypes, using advanced simulation software and computer-aided design. During this phase, every aspect of the truck is considered, from its load capacity and fuel efficiency to its strength and durability under extreme conditions. Virtual tests are conducted to identify possible improvements and ensure that the final design meets the highest standards of quality and performance. The design process also includes the integration of advanced technologies, such as automated control systems and real-time monitoring, which optimize the truck's performance and safety. Additionally, the design process involves collaboration with experts from various disciplines, including mechanics, electronics, materials, and ergonomics. Every aspect of the truck is meticulously studied to ensure that all parts work together harmoniously and efficiently. For example, structural resistance simulations are performed to guarantee that the chassis can support the load and withstand the vibrations and stresses of the terrain. The suspension and braking systems are also analyzed to ensure safe and comfortable driving, even under the most adverse conditions. The design planning also considers environmental and sustainability aspects. Materials and technologies that reduce the truck's environmental impact are researched and selected, both during its manufacture and operation. This includes the development of more efficient and less polluting engines, as well as energy recovery systems and component recycling. Step 2. Factory production. Once the design is approved, production begins in the factory. This process requires meticulous coordination and the collaboration of various departments, each specialized in manufacturing specific components. Production takes place in modern facilities equipped with state-of-the-art machinery. Advanced manufacturing techniques such as robotic welding and precision casting are employed to ensure that every piece meets the highest quality standards. Factory production also involves strict quality control, where each component is carefully inspected to guarantee optimal performance and durability under the most adverse conditions. Manufacturing a monstrous truck is a complex process involving multiple stages. First, metal pieces are cast and machined, including the chassis, engine, and main structures. The cast parts are inspected for any defects and undergo heat treatments to improve their strength. Then, the structures are welded together using robots and advanced techniques to ensure strong and precise joints. In addition to manufacturing metal components, electronic components and control systems are produced. These include navigation, monitoring, and communication systems, which are assembled and tested under controlled conditions. The integration of these systems is crucial for the truck's operation, as they allow for control and supervision of all aspects of its performance, from speed and fuel consumption to tire temperature and condition. Step 3. Parts of the monstrous truck. The world's largest trucks are made up of a series of essential parts that work together to ensure their impressive performance. Some of the most notable parts include engine, the heart of the truck, usually a high-powered diesel engine capable of generating thousands of horsepower. These engines are designed to provide a large amount of torque, enabling the truck to carry heavy loads over difficult terrain. Chassis, the main structure that supports the entire weight of the truck and its load. The chassis is built with high-strength materials, such as steel and special alloys, to ensure durability and load capacity. Suspension system, designed to handle the weight and terrain conditions, providing stability and comfort. This system includes high-resistance shock absorbers and springs that absorb vibrations and impacts from the terrain, protecting both the truck and its load. Cabin equipped with cutting-edge technology for controlling and monitoring the truck, including navigation and communication systems. The cabin is ergonomically designed to provide comfort for the driver, featuring adjustable seats, intuitive controls, and climate control systems. Brake system, high-powered and precise, essential for ensuring the safety of the truck and its load. The brakes are designed to operate efficiently even under extreme conditions, using high-resistance brake discs and regenerative braking systems. Dump body. The cargo compartment designed to transport large volumes of material. It is built with abrasion and impact-resistant materials and is designed to facilitate easy loading and unloading. Each of these parts is manufactured using high-quality materials and undergoes rigorous tests to ensure its durability and performance under extreme conditions. Moreover, the design of these parts includes special features to optimize their functionality. For example, the diesel engines in these trucks are equipped with turbochargers and high-pressure fuel injection systems that enhance efficiency and power. The chassis is reinforced at critical points to withstand terrain stresses and heavy loads. The cabin is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, such as cameras and sensors, that improve visibility and safety. Step 4. Assembly of parts. Assembling the truck's parts is a complex process that requires precision and coordination. In this stage, the manufactured components are assembled in a specific sequence to form the complete truck. Highly trained technicians and operators work together to assemble each part, from the chassis and engine to the cabin and dump body. Specialized tools and advanced technology are used to ensure that every piece fits perfectly and operates optimally. Assembly also includes system functionality tests and calibration, ensuring that the truck is ready to operate under the most demanding conditions. The assembly process takes place on a specially designed assembly line for large trucks. Each station along the line is equipped with specific tools and equipment to assemble and adjust the different parts of the truck. Operators use cranes and handling systems to move and position the large, heavy components, ensuring that they are assembled safely and precisely. Additionally, the assembly includes the installation of electrical and electronic systems, such as control, navigation, and monitoring systems. These systems are connected and calibrated to ensure that they function correctly and provide the necessary information to the driver. Technicians perform functionality tests and diagnostics to detect any potential issues and make the necessary adjustments. Step 5. 10,000 kilogram tires. One of the most impressive aspects of these trucks is their gigantic tires, which can weigh up to 10,000 kilograms each. These tires are designed to support the weight of the truck and its load, as well as the extreme conditions of the terrain. The manufacture of these tires requires special materials and advanced vulcanization techniques. The tires undergo rigorous tests for strength and durability to ensure they can handle the demands of mining work. Moreover, high-strength rubber compounds and specially designed tread patterns are used to maximize traction and extend tire life. The tire manufacturing process begins with mixing natural and synthetic rubber compounds, along with reinforcing agents such as carbon black and silica. These materials are combined in large capacity mixers to form a homogeneous blend. Next, the mixture is passed through extrusion equipment that shapes the basic structure of the tire. Then, reinforcement layers are added, including steel cords and special fabrics designed to provide additional strength and stability. These layers are placed into a mold and undergo a vulcanization process, where heat and pressure are applied to fuse the materials and form the final tire. After vulcanization, the tires are cooled and meticulously inspected for any defects. Strength tests include subjecting the tires to extreme loads and pressures, as well as simulated terrain conditions, to ensure they can handle the demands of mining work. The tread is designed with specific patterns to improve traction and reduce wear, thereby optimizing tire performance under challenging conditions. Step 6. Final testing and adjustments. Before the trucks are ready for field use, they must undergo a series of exhaustive tests and final adjustments. These tests ensure that every truck functions perfectly and meets the established quality and safety standards. The trucks are subjected to operational tests on specially designed tracks that simulate the extreme conditions of mining operations. These tests include load tests, verifying that the truck can transport maximum loads without structural or performance issues. Durability tests, evaluating the truck's endurance on difficult terrains and under prolonged operating conditions. Braking tests, ensuring that the braking system functions correctly and can safely stop the truck under different conditions. Stability tests, analyzing the truck's stability when maneuvering on inclined and uneven terrains. Additionally, our final adjustments and calibrations are made to optimize the performance of every component. Technicians perform detailed diagnostics to detect any potential issues and make the necessary adjustments. Once the trucks have passed all these tests, they are considered ready for delivery and operation in the mining field. And that is how the world's largest trucks are manufactured, from their initial design to the final assembly and exhaustive testing. These titanic vehicles are the result of the collaboration between engineers, technicians, and operators, all working together to create machines capable of meeting the greatest challenges in mining. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Let us know in the comments what you thought of the manufacturing process of these impressive trucks. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, we'd love to hear your opinion.